So let's have a look and see what's going on here. If you haven't already, please go and open a Bybit account and deposit some money in there. They're a great trading platform. Got some great mining facilities. They do. Also, if you do like these YouTube videos, please like and subscribe. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look into these beautiful markets of ours, which I'm so grateful for, and see what's out there today. I've already done my scan for our community. I've put my watch list up. And so yeah, this is just for the public channel. So just bearing in mind looking at cradle trades, how price is interacting with the cradle zone. So let's zoom out here and have a look at the monthly. Really beautiful monthly chart here, isn't it, on Bitcoin? Clearly converging on the MACD. We have a really nice pullback in here. Does not mean we cannot test these lows down here. Of course we can. It is a very nice monthly chart indeed. Anything could happen in these 9 days. 9 days we could close down here, so I'm not going to assess that candle until after it's closed. In terms of the buying that's come back into the market today, I'm not super excited about it. I mean, check this out. We've sold off, we've rallied up, we've sold off, we've rallied up, we've sold off, we've rallied up. What could happen from here? Anyone, it's impossible to say. It'd be Warren Buffett or Jimmy Buffett or Wizzy Buffett. No one knows what's going to happen from here. We could go up, we could go down. Let's see what happens. I can tell you one thing for certain. These rallies to the upside and rallies to the downside are really awesome to trade. So I'm just waiting, patiently waiting for my opportunity to strike. And you bet I'll be raising some long orders if the setups come. So let's have a look at Ethereum. Very similar markets here on Ethereum, eh? Have a look at the monthly, beautiful monthly pullback, beautiful convergence here. Do like seeing that cyclicity, the market setting up as one more or less, at least over the top two. Ethereum same. Rallied up, sold off, rallied up, sold off, rallied up. Again, I'm waiting for my time to strike. I've just got close out of my 2-day short trade for a frugal profit for the month, considering the state of the market. And I'm on the hunt for something new. Very open to take a long trade, but the setup just has to be perfect. Nothing really there in Ethereum. We see these trends starting to play out, but nothing yet. Okay, XRP. Good. It's good we're doing a cradle scan today on the public channel because there's actually some pretty solid potential for some cradles. Now onto XRP. I can clearly say there's a level of resistance there at 0.8571 on XRP. Let's have a look at the 4. Do have a nice trend forming here in the 4. Very nice convergence on the MAC Daddy as well, but I'm not interested in trading up into that line of resistance up there. Next, ADA. Okay. Very similar case with ADA. Let's see if we see some follow through with the market. Again, guys, it could go either way from here. We could sell off or we could go up. I'm just keen to get another awesome intraday trade on. I've had 5 from 6 trades so far this year. Go on to profit, so breathe. Just waiting for the right one to come. ADA. Let's have a look at the 4 here. Starting to trend beautifully on the 4, but working up into this resistance. So gonna leave as that. Next, Solana. Alright. Not much of a daily trend there, so I'm not interested in these contracts. I don't have a daily trend. My rules dictate that I do only take trades that are in agreement with the daily trend. And it's served me very well so far this year. I'm not going to break that rule. Next, BNB. Starting to trend here as well on the daily, but very different to this rally up here, isn't it? Had a rally, a pullback, and then a further push on. It's very, it's nice structure. It's trending structure that's starting to form. Opposed to here, we just shot straight up. Sorry, that's number 16. Similar story here on the daily. Again, we have a bit of a level going through there, don't we? Let's just pop that guy in. Let's have a look at the 4. Nothing there on the 4. Again, really waiting for this follow through if I'm going to take any longs. Still open for shorts. If you're in the community, you saw me put my watch list up this morning for my morning scan. There are actually some beautiful short breakout options in that list. So let's have a look at a dot here. Nice big green candle there and dot just working out of this consolidation. I like that. I like it. We have a consolidation of candles and boom. G'day Winston, how are you, mate? I like seeing this type of setup. Consolidation, a tight range we've been trading and then a clean break. Notice we've had this happen in early Feb, so not that long ago. Easy to forget, but it did happen back here, a nice big rally. So again, it's not overly excited, guys, but let's see what happens. Some nice trends starting to form. You can clearly see this range marked out here on the daily. But nothing, let's have a look on the lows. Nothing really there. Oh mate, wish I was there for your birthday. It sounds like an absolute blast. Winston, you have missed nothing. Nothing, my friend. Nothing, man. You've missed nothing. Always another day to trade. There's definitely never a day to trade, especially when you're hung. Alright, let's have a look at the daily here on Luna. This is in my stalking list for the community. And the reason is this. It's a very nice trend forming here on the 8. Very nice convergence. We do have somewhat of a daily uptrend here as well. But again, guys, I'm really motivated to keep this winning streak going and just keep on banking profits. So I'm not going to break my trade against the daily rule just because there's been some green in the market. And I'm just going to wait for those perfect setups like I've done all year. Had a profitable year so far. Just going to wait. Next, AVAX. Avalanche Infinity. Okay. Quite a sell-off from these highs, eh? Let's have a look here. 55%. Nothing too crazy for the top 10. Let's look at the monthly. Not enough data there in the monthly for us. Daily, 12. Oh, these charts are disgusting. Although, let's have a look at the 15 and the 30. They're starting to cycle here in the lower time frames. I would be open to that, actually. If you have to sink my teeth in a short. This daily is very messy, but this 15 and 30 is starting to cycle. So it's probably worth keeping an eye on that, actually. You can pop that in our pink list. Yeah, let's have a look at that. Something might eventuate there. And then Dogecoin. Nothing there on Dogecoin. So we've sold off. We've hit some major resistance and we're just going sideways here, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah, we really are. Look at the 8, the 4. Nothing there for us on Doge. So AVAX Infinity, out of that top 10, AVAX could actually be an option, a lower time frame option, no doubt, a lower time frame short. If this does start to cycle, if we take out some lows in this chart, we see some cyclicity coming in there, I'd be very open to trading that trade, especially because we are, can't say this, I was going to say we're due a pullback, but we're not really due anything. The market can do whatever it wants. So as always, I'm very grateful for these markets. Very, very grateful to be a participant in these markets, and I'm very grateful to be a trader in these markets. And if you're in the community like Big Dog Winston, I'll see you in there. I'm going to be around all day. And let's see if we can stack some sats or make some money. Just waiting for that perfect setup, of course. I hope you're all well, and see you all next time. See ya.